everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we're gonna make some cactus today from filt. I have one in my hand. This is the one, and we're gonna make this one, and just like this, you're gonna keep it, or you're gonna give it also a present to someone else. And let's get started. Okay, I have a template from the cactus. We must take 6 pieces from this template. I have 2 different filts. This one pink, this one have stripes with pink. Let's begin. Okay, I have 6 pieces, 2 with stripes and 4 regular from filt. Now, if you want to, you can stick them two together. So the needle, this one in, pull it to the end, just like this. Hold it with your finger, do it again, okay, just like this. We have 3 pairs, 1 with dots, 2 regular. Now what we do now next, that is this in the middle, there's 1 regular, 1 with dots and 1 regular. Make 1 pair of it. Now, here comes the trick. We must now stick this one in the middle, all 3 of them. So start here. Just like this, to the end. Almost to the end. Okay, just like this, and it is in the back. 1 knot. Okay, and we cut it. Yeah. If you've done all that, so what you see is you cut just like this in the front. Now, we're gonna fill them with the filler I have here. fill it inside all of them. You can push it with your finger inside in the cactus. Do it in small pieces because it can. Now you see I have filled one of them. You can see you can take the shape of a one cactus. You must do all of them. I do it off camera. If you filled it all of them, this is the shape, this is the cactus, what we made. You can put them in the, and you have a cactus. It's easy to make. Here's the one. It's ready. I'm really happy with it, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.